Pivot point is a kind of support and resistance indicator. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see some lines here, right?
Hmm.
So what I
Yellow
will do,
color.
I have to do some changes to it so that I can easily recognize which one is my support and which one is my resistance. So right now I will take only two support and two resistance, right? So resistance I will mark it red. Okay. All the resistance I will mark with red and support let's mark with green line. Okay. I have marked it, right? So now you can see red green line, right? So if the price is down, see here you can see where is the price here, right?
Hmm.
So all the lines which are below the price, they are support. And all the lines which are above my price, they are resistance.
Okay.
Okay, so my price is here, right? So I have one resistance here and I have S1, S2, S3 supports here, right? So I should always try to buy near the support and should always try to book profit near the resistance.
Okay.
This strategy you can use either use this type of strategy. Always try to buy near the support or try to exit near the resistance, right? So this is my support area, so I can buy here now. My stop loss will be very low, like very near here only. My stop loss will be here only, and my target is here. Okay, so use one thing. Either use previous swing high, previous swing low, or use pivot points. But
Okay.
you can combine hammer and doji with the pivot points, right?
What do you refer, uncle?
I use pivot points. Actually, I use both the previous swing high and pivot points. I combine everything and use it. I combine everything and use it. So those things will come with experience only. So so that is why I'm telling you that use one thing only now. Use pivot points only. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
If
What
you
are those yellow lines, uncle, over there?
this is called as pivot point, right? Pivot. So
Okay.
since this line is also below this price, so this will also act as support too.
Okay. The indicator name is pivot points. Anything which is in yellow in the pivot points is
No, no,
pivot.
don't tell yellow because I can change the color from here also.
Okay, okay.
I can change it black also, right? Fine. So you should think like whatever lines are below the price, they are support, and whatever lines are above the price, they are resistance. So think like that.
Okay,
Okay.
understood.
And don't consider the previous lines. Only consider the current line only. These lines you should not think about.
Will these keep changing, uncle, on regular
Yes, yes,
markets?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
See, you can see that every week it will change. Every week. See, if you are plotting daily, then these lines will be same for whole month. But if you plot is for 15 minutes, then I'll show you. If you plot for 15 minutes chart, see, it is going to change every day. See, the area is near the support, right? You can see that all the lines are near support. So this is the best zone to buy. So what I will do in this scenario, I'll tell you. My price is near the support line, right? And this is my resistance. And this is my previous swing high, right? Now I will take an entry here. My stop loss will be here and I will book my profits here. I will not wait for here.
Okay, understood, uncle.